So someone went off and invented the phonograph. Maybe you recall how every evening everybody gathered round the chair. Every now and then you'd stop to think, how nice to have music everywhere.
Then to make things even nicer, someone invented the radio. Wasn't it a wonder when it happened? Every little room now had its share. Every little car had QXR, but this was not music.
Music everywhere. So, someone invented Muzak. Softly, gently, never going overboard. Every moment now was subtly underscored. How could there be sadness in a world where roads restored and explored as music? Gentlemen's restroom and ladies' room, the delicate mass and the house of music. Glory, it was lovely till a genius visiting the commons free voice of air. Knocked his little head and called to death. He did not hear music, 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 everywhere. The man was stunned, so he went straight home and invented the portable cassette player. Yes, oh yes, ah yes, oh yes, ah yes, oh yes, ah yes. Now from every mountain to the prairie to the ocean, white with sand, everyone on earth is feeling glad because there is music, music, music everywhere, everywhere.
Did you think that science would be satisfied? Is your urge for music all you grant for?
No, 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 no.
Now they've
Got a gadget you can plug inside your brain. Shoot the music string system. Make the music pump right to your bloodstream. Make your lymph glands shoot into the marrow of your very bone. Everywhere you go now, you've got music. From your tippy toes up to your hair. Everyone who sees that blasting stare knows you have got music, 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 happy music, 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 happy music, happy music, happy music, music, Silence.
Isn't it wonderful?
I can think again.
Think?
Yeah, think. Still